Now, what exactly is copywriting? Well, it's basically the art of writing or basically text or creating compelling piece of videos, just like how I'm creating right now, so that the market becomes more aware about the products or services offered by their business and are more excited to, buy whatever they are offering, right? Now, in today's time, copywriting could be in the form of email marketing. Whenever somebody sends an email, of course, that's one form of copywriting. Somebody creating YouTube videos, somebody creating advertisement, somebody creating blog articles, whatever it might be. You can find out whatever you are comfortable with, right? And you could actually go and help business owners create different kind of content, different kind of emails, different kind of advertisement in order to help them grow successfully. And you can create different kind of AI bots to help them out with the same. And how you can do that is, let's say, for example, I'm helping a business owner to, let's say, create a viral video script, okay? Or I'm helping, like, let's say, a business owner to maybe, come up with some sort of blog article, that they might be interested in, right? So one awesome tool that I can use definitely in order to get inspiration for my copywriting when I'm doing such a gig for other businesses is I could go to a website called as buzzsumo.com, and I could see the various kind of articles that are going viral, right, on social media. As you can see, this article was posted, 24 hours ago, 23 hours ago, and got 7.3K shares on Facebook, which is, of course, like, something that is going viral. Now, let's say I'm working for a business which is a cryptocurrency firm, and they want me to write emails or blog articles or do copywriting for them, in that particular format, and they want me to share something about Bitcoin, for example. So I would just type Bitcoin over here, and what I can see is I could sort of like see which articles are getting the maximum shares, and I could probably like have this sort out by Facebook engagement. Then what I could do is I could also create more filters by clicking on more filters. And then what I could do is language. I could just have English over here. And then click on create feed. And as you can see, this particular, thing or particular article has 327 shares, in 11 hours ago it was posted, right? So this means that there's a chance that this particular article could go viral. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this entire thing, right? And I'm going to go to this website called as Claude. And then what I'm going to do is, please summarize the article, the blog article below. Okay. And then what I would do is I would also take like the title. Right. And let's see what happens. Then in the meantime, it summarizes. I could say something like, please help me create a blog article based on the similar story, but create it on behalf Coin DCX or company, and make sure to avoid plagiarism, if I can even spell that. Make it easy to understand and simple to read. Also, make it detailed. Let's say something like that, and let's see what Claude actually comes up with. And as you can see, it just helped me like literally create another article, which I could literally share. And of course, it's going to be different, but of course, with a unique twist. And then what I could also tell Claude is, now please convert it into an email newsletter that I can send on behalf of the founder of Coin DCX. My company, again, Coin DCX is not my company. I'm just giving you like a totally random example so that you get the point. Okay. But the point is that you can write copy on behalf of different kind of businesses and, turn viral content into things that are already working into copywriting, which is being done within a few seconds. Of course, use your own head. Don't like literally just copy everything word to word. And then based on that, of course, this will allow you to have unlimited potential, because there are literally content teams out there that used to take like, days, weeks, months to come up with content like this, and now it's being done with the help of AI. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, make sure to hit the like button below and share this video with a friend of yours that might benefit from it and end up making a hell lot of money. So that being said, as you can see, it also turned this into a, like, let's say an email. Now I could also say, now turn this into a tweet that is less than 145 characters. Let's see what happens when we tell this to, turn this into a tweet. Bam. Right? And of course, we could click on retry to like make this work and give like different kind of options to whoever you are working with, right? But the point is that, of course, copywriting is definitely one field that you can explore, because for this kind of work, you can easily charge a retainer fee for somebody to do the same for the various kind of businesses. And if you don't want to charge a retainer fee, you can build a bot like this for different kind of business owners and charge like a one-time fee, like how I explained earlier on.